Hello, this is Miss Collins' math class Canvas page. I want to quickly go through my Canvas page so parents and students know where to go to find things that they need. I know this says Math 7 Collins, but this layout is the exact same way that my 8th grade Canvas page is also like. So, just because you're a 7th grade or you're an 8th grader doesn't mean that it's different. It's completely the same. So first, on my home page, if you're viewing this as a student, okay, you'll see the agenda, class resources, and contact information. Right below is a little blurb about me that says, hello, my name is Miss Collins and I am your math teacher this year. This is my 3rd year of teaching and coaching the 7th grade girls softball. I hope that I can carry my love and passion for math to all my students and make my students more confident in their math ability. Let's have a flashtastic year. So here, we have the agenda, class resources, and contact information. I'm going to first start off with the contact information. The contact information, here's my email. If you ever need to email me, just click it and it will bring you up an email where you can send it. Right below it is my phone number with my extension, so if you call this number, you will call me directly. If I don't answer during school hours, please leave me a voice message and I will get back to you ASAP. My office hours is from 7:15 a.m. to 8 a.m., Monday, Thursday, and Friday. I also have prep from 2:03 to 3:05, where I can also contact you if I need to, or you can contact me if you would like. I don't have a class from 2:03 to 3:05, so I will be willing to talk during that time. If you go back to the home page, you then have class resources. Under the class resources, you have the textbook for the class, the Desmos calculator, and the Khan Academy login. Under that is other class resources, my classroom management plan, which I have gone over with the students already, a counselor request form, so if a student needs to see the counselor at any time, they need to fill out a counselor request form. My Canvas page is a quick way for them to get it. If they don't know where to go, they can always go to my classroom resources. And the Chromebook help ticket. If the computer is messing up and you need to submit a Chromebook help ticket, they can come to my page and do that as well. And last, we have the agenda. So, here is the month of August. As you can see, you have the unit and lesson, and then if it says quick check, that means that they had an assignment. What quick check to me means is that is practice. Practice goes in the 10% category. So anything in the quick check goes in the 10% category. So, for example, today is August 30th. In my 7th grade math class, if you went down to August 30th, you would see that we were in Unit 3, Lesson 1, Translating and Evaluating Expressions. If you click on this, it will take you to the Unit 3 Expressions Material page. On the Unit 3 Materials page, you have the date, where it says quick check, lesson, notes, and video. So the lesson for today, there was no quick check, okay? And even though this is the quick check category, yeah. So anything in this category will be put in under practice, okay? If we take a test or something, quick check will not be in front of it. It will say test. That would go in the test or the summative category, or if it said quiz and then explain, that would go in the formative category. So even though this is a quick check column, this is pretty much the assignments column. So, as you can see, 8:30 today, there was no quick check. Lesson they had was translating and evaluating expressions. If you click on this little piece of paper, that's the notes for the day. The notes will always be blank, so if they're at home, hopefully the students can print it out, or a parent can print it out for them. If not, they'll take notes on a separate sheet of paper. They need to watch the video. So every day I post a video of me or another math teacher going over the notes that we are doing in class. Or I'll post another video that I want them to watch. And if I post more than one video, I will post the order in which I want the videos to be watched. So as you can see here, this is the same video of the notes that we just went over. This is a 25-minute video and it goes through the entire notes. So if they're at home, really, they watch this video. If they can follow along, write it down on a separate sheet of paper. This should be about 25 to 35 minutes if they're writing stuff down, if they're pausing the video, rewinding it. And then once they're done with this, they can move on with their day. Okay. If we take a test or a quiz when a student is not in the classroom, they cannot take it at home. Okay? They cannot take it at home. They have to wait until they come back to the classroom to take it. If we go back to the home page, okay, they have over to the left side modules. If they come look at the modules, they'll see the modules that are open. So we've been through Unit 1, Unit 2, and we started on Unit 3. So these are the only 3 modules they should see. In the modules, it just has the page for that unit. Okay? Everything that you'll need will be within that page. So, I hope you enjoyed this quick Canvas tutorial of Miss Collins' math Canvas page. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me.